Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, we're up early, we're at it. And today we're going to be discussing the upcoming DASHAWN Jordan and Nike SB Dunk Low. Since I know you guys have been asking me about this pair, I'm going to try and get a little early review or on-time review for you guys, where we'll unbox these like on drop day or a little bit before. So stay tuned for that. We'll get that in very shortly. I am able to get my size, but it's like $300 to get it like quickly, and I'm like, you know what, we're gonna wait a couple more days and then I got you guys. Maybe later today it'll be better, but I'll just ask some of my locals, other folks like that too. But that's aside from the point. Basically today, discussing this release, we're getting into the details, everything you need to know about the sneakers drop, where that's going to be happening, and also the different skate shops and locations where this shoe is going to be dropping. So make sure you guys stay tuned and get ready for the DASHAWN SBs, man, because these are very, very clean. So I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's discuss everything you need to know. Even the resale prices, I'll dive into that. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If we can do that, that'd be great. If not, no worries. Just check any of my socials down below. My Instagram pages, I post tons for sale there every day on my story. I cannot speak, excuse me. Or you can check out my website down below. Use code WICK15 for 15% off everything, man. I'm going to load a lot more there very shortly, so stay tuned. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything ever, just ask me down below. And yeah, if you're ever interested in any items that I got for sale, I got pretty much all sizes up to 3XL. Just check my Instagram story. And we got kicks up to size 14. So let me know, y'all. We got pretty much everything you need, or up to size 15. So don't sleep on that. Yeah, that's everything, guys. It's all down below in the pinned comment. If you want to check it out, shoot me a follow. It means a lot. I try and post pretty much daily on the IG too. So yeah, that's all I need to say. Make sure y'all follow the live pages down below as well. We'll be back on there shortly, and let's get started. All right, so as you guys can see, we have moved over, and the screen recording up is in the first place. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I cannot. Again, this morning I've just not been able to speak, but let's just keep it going. So really, let's just look at the basic details here on the Nike SB website first. I think that's where we should look at. Then we'll look at the resale prices, sneaker stuff, everything you need to know there. So, as you'll see, the DASHAWN Jordan Nike SB Dunk Low drop in March 2026. Now, the main thing to say about this is, of course, DASHAWN Jordan is from Arizona. So I believe the first location where they're dropping these, as it said actually at the bottom, we'll look at that in a second, is Faces Skate Shop, which is a skate shop in AZ. I also think Common Hype, shout out the boys over there, I think they were previewing these early because they are close to Faces Skate Shop. So, you know, I mean, it's like, hey, there you go. So we saw a little early preview from them, but that's something pretty cool. We're also going to try and do one very shortly as well. Just know we're working on it, guys, so stay tuned. But I thought that was cool. But aside from that, you guys can see kind of the copperhead look that we got on the sneaker. That's at least what they're calling it, right? The copperhead SBs. You guys can see we got the copperhead right there on the top of the tongue tag. Of course, a little emblem, which is removable as well, I believe. So if you don't want to keep it on there, boom, you can take it off. And you guys can see kind of the snakeskin theme that we got right there, kind of a gray snakeskin look with the black suede on the shoe. And I like the purple outline on the swoosh as well. The reason I like these, and I'm trying to go for these and like get a decent amount of them, is because back here by the heel, it's kind of like a Hornets colorway. I'm down here in Charlotte, North Carolina, so I feel like, you know, these could actually do pretty good with my locals. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's pretty similar to like, not like exactly similar, but it's kind of close to like some of the stuff like Black Sheep's done in the past, like with their collabs they got with Nike SB. I know not quite the same, but they've used very similar color schemes. Of course, they've done it mainly on Dunk Highs. But just mentioning that as a little reason I'm going for these is one, that's a reason why I want this shoe. But two, it's just like I feel like my local market's going to be strong, and also it's a wearable sneaker, and I like them. So I want to get a pair for myself. So we'll see what we can do. But honestly, that's why I've been holding out and doing the early reviews, because I'm trying to find a pair in my size so I can bring y'all an early on feet review. Because I know everyone's doing the early review, but I want to bring y'all the early on feet, wearing it around, you know, using the pair for real type review. So like, you know, I'm just looking for my size, 9.5. Hey, anybody know, connect, let me know. But I'm working on that right now too, so don't you worry, we'll have it within the next few days. But as y'all can see what we got right here, so again, as y'all can see what we're talking about, Faces Skate Shop, Arizona, March 14th, pretty much the first place is dropping these. And then looking at some other important info right here. So other skate shops get the green light on March 17th. They may drop them a little bit before though. I'm sure they won't get in much trouble if they do it on like the 15th or 16th. So keep that in mind with these skate shops, right? Is that they can drop it pretty much any date after the 14th, in my opinion, from what I can see. But maybe it's the 17th, but I would be paying attention to your skate shop, honestly, like probably starting the 13th, you know what I mean? Just so you can get like, see if they maybe do it earlier or something, because that's totally possible. Just want to mention that. But aside from that, there's something very, very important that we have to mention right here on the bottom of this page. So you guys can see, select skate shops March 17th and sneakers March 17th, excluding USA. I don't know, again, like, I'm a fan of Nike. I love what they do. Like, you know what I mean? Pretty much Nike shoes back there. Maybe a couple other brands, but pretty much Nike shoes back there. Maybe some New Balance stuff. I'm a big fan of Nike, but I don't know why they would not drop these on sneakers in the USA. Like, excluding USA. Like, bruh, DASHAWN Jordan is from the US. Like, why are we not doing these on sneakers in the USA? Again, blows my mind. I do not understand that. I know we're getting it at all the skate shops in the USA, but that's one thing alone that's probably going to cause the prices to not brick on this pair, is that they're not doing them on sneakers in the US. So keep that in mind, guys. Your chances, your local skate shops, really. I mean, I'm not seeing it on sneakers again. It says, I mean, am I reading that right, y'all? Let me know if I'm reading that wrong. Let me know if I'm reading that wrong. Excluding USA. So sneakers March 17th, excluding USA. I'm pretty sure that means we're not getting it on sneakers. I'm pretty sure, but let me know if I'm wrong somehow. But yeah, that's what I think, man. So pretty much just be ready for your local skate shops, man. And if you don't have a local skate shop near you, then hey, I mean, these are so, look, you got 5 extra. Oh, come on now. These are crazy, bro. Yeah, I need these big time. So I'm going to be going for these. Look at, you got the unique insoles on them too, bro. Look at that. DJ for, of course, DASHAWN Jordan. And yeah, I mean, I like, bro, it's like a Hornets colorway, bro. Like, you cannot tell me that. Look. I mean, I know it's not, you know, but it's like what it looks like. So I'm definitely trying to get a lot of these because I know if I get them at the right price, I'll easily be able to flip these very solid to my local clientele. So yeah, man, I like these. Shout out to DASHAWN Jordan. You made a banger SB here. We'll look at the resale prices in a second because I know some of you guys are curious about that. But also another thing I want to say is basically if you don't have a skate shop near you and you normally are relying on sneakers to take dubs, you're going to have to be saving your money for this drop, man, or be looking on IG. Hey, follow me on IG. I'll be posting bulk of these, man, so stay tuned. That's why y'all got to follow the socials. But aside from that, hey, you know, throwing the promo right there. My bad. I had to drink some water real quick there. But basically what I'm getting at is if you don't have like a skate shop near you and you normally are relying on sneakers and you're in the USA, be saving your money for this drop because there's no way you're going to be getting it for retail unless you're driving out of state or driving to another location where there is going to be a release for these. There's basically no way to get it. If you don't have skate shops near you and sneakers is normally the place, then hey, you're going to have to be ready to pay some resale on these if you really like this pair and want it for the collection because as you can see, I mean, again, if I'm let me know if I'm wrong, but it says sneakers March 17th excluding USA. So I think they're leaving us out, which kind of sucks. But, hey, let me know if I'm wrong. All right, let's get into the resale and a few other things. All right, so taking a look at the resale prices right here, y'all can see the current range we got. My size 9, again, available via express ship. I almost copped it this morning, but I saw it was $300, and I said, absolutely not. Or I think it was like 350 bucks. I was like, if it was closer to 300, I might have actually done it. But, like, it'd be a dumb choice. But, you know, it's just like, it could be a cool video, you know what I mean? Maybe we make some money back on the video if that's what we could do. But yeah, no, 350 for a size, nah, I'm good. I'll just wait a couple more days. But as y'all can see, very nice SB. The current range we have between the range are about, again, let's just say 190 to 200. I mean, all sizes are almost at the same prices, or 190 to 210. As y'all can see, size 13 going for a big more. Pretty much always the case with SB Dunk Lows. And that's actually a good price for a size 13 SB right there. So, size 13 boys, maybe take advantage of that. But again, we'll have to see where these end up after, you know, skate shop releases, sneakers drops. I feel like they can maybe come down a little bit more. You look at like Krampus's, a couple other recent SB Dunk Lows. I think they've briefly gotten cheaper in some of those big sizes, like 170, 180 really quick, and then they shot back up to 220, 250. So there is maybe a brief opportunity, you know, if you just wait a little bit longer. I'll say that, but now is not a bad time at all to buy a size 13 in my opinion. If you are a big size boy, you don't need an SB for the collection, but pretty much my prediction on these, I think these will come down another 20 bucks or so, probably at about 160, 180, and I think they will end up settling there. I'll put a plus on the 180 because, of course, when you start looking at size 13, 14, that's when you just get to very hard or almost impossible sizes to find for SB Dunk Lows. So when you start getting to that size range, it's like, you know what, let me just keep these for a bit. Because, yeah, I mean, they don't make many 13s and 14s, and I imagine those will be the 1 and 2, or the 2 sizes pretty much that stay high in price. Like, those will be the ones that stay closer to 250, 300, no matter what, after the drop, before the drop. So just be expecting that. So that's pretty much what I think about the resale on these. I think they'll come down to maybe 150, 180 or 160, 180. The big sizes will stay probably closer to 200 or above 200 pretty comfortably if you're talking about size 14 or 15. I mean, look at those sizes. Again, they just don't really exist like that. They're out there, but how many are there? Like a handful. So it's very, very difficult to find certain sizes like that. 14 there's a bit more of sometimes, but not in this SB. And especially 15 is the rarest size, clearly. So that's what I can say about this SB Dunk Low, man, in terms of resale. They're going to come down a bit more in price. Look at that last sale, too. I mean, again, this is why I think, okay, 15 for 270. There, 14 for, look at that. Market's coming down a bit more. Look at that, though. 15 is going crazy. 300 and 270. Again, all other sizes look fairly normal. As y'all see, already dropping to kind of 160, 180, which is, again, what we're predicting. That's where I think they'll end up chilling. But look at those big sizes, man. Crazy. So that's what I think about that. One in the screen recording there. And that's pretty much what I think about the resale. Again, in terms of its drop, March 14th at skate shops in Arizona, March 17th for all other skate shops. Again, I'd just start looking at March 14th at your local skate shop because they might pull the trigger early and drop it when Faces does theirs in Arizona. So I just wouldn't be surprised by that. And yeah, again, be ready for the sneakers drop too for anybody outside. Anybody outside the USA. I'm pretty sure I read that right. It said excluding USA, so I don't think the US is getting a sneakers drop, which is unfortunate. And also I want to mention absolutely crazy work. Why is Nike continuing to do this where we'll have collaborations for US Nike athletes or US based Nike skaters, and then they won't drop it on sneakers in the USA? Again, I don't like actually care. I'm just like, I boggles my mind. I'm like, as a corporation, like, you are losing money. All right, you know what? Hey, is what it is. Fine, you know, fine. Hey, cool. Interesting decision making at Nike headquarters, but we still love you guys. All right, that's everything I need to say, man. If you all have any other questions down below, feel free to ask it down below in the comment section. And is there anything I'm forgetting? No, I don't think there's anything I'm really forgetting like that, really. Other than, you know, any of my socials, if you want to check that in the comments, feel free. My website, Wick Kicks LLC. Use code WICK15 for 15% off everything. Or just go to my Instagram pages, man. See some of the stuff we got for sale on my IG. I got tons of stuff to actually pack today. So if you are interested in buying anything, buy some stuff. I'll get it out for you today or the next day. And yeah, I got to go pack like 80 shoes this morning. So we're going to pack like 80 shoes up, get those all out. And then make sure you check the live pages out down below. I'll be back there shortly. Honestly, just been handling business on the IG, man, after this move and getting settled. I'm still organizing stuff. So I'll be ready in a couple days for y'all. Just stay tuned, stay patient with me. And this is actually a long video discussing the DASHAWN. It's almost 14 minutes here. So yeah, we'll get this wrapped up and get y'all on with your day. I'm sorry for taking so long and yapping, but hopefully a good video on the DASHAWNs. Hopefully you got some info, learned something new, or at least learned something about Nike. We should drop these on sneakers in the USA. DASHAWN Jordan is based here. All right, but hey, whatever the decision is, cool. You know what I mean? I'm fine with it. Probably just trying to keep the pair a bit more limited so the resale doesn't completely fall out. That's my guess on why they're not doing it on sneakers in the USA. So let me know what you guys think. But that's it. I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow, and hopefully I can see you guys then. Follow all the socials below if y'all want to. If not, then here's a photo of my cat at least. Show Luna some love. All right. There's the cat. We love Luna. I actually got her food. First thing I do every morning is get her food and water, and clean her poop. So I hope my cat's grateful. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Peace out, squad.